The list released Monday includes many CEOs with direct business before China. Kelly Ortberg of Boeing, BA, is expected to be along for the trip as additional purchases by China of Boeing planes and engines are widely expected to be announced this week. Likewise, agricultural giant Cargill will be represented by CEO Brian Sikes, with Chinese agriculture purchases also a topic of discussion. The inclusion of Elon Musk of Tesla, TSLA, is also sure to garner intense focus after his high-profile fallout with Trump last year, even as the world's richest man has appeared alongside Trump multiple times in recent months.